Cracking ratios and proportions for GMAT Arithmetic. Hello there! In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of ratios and proportions, a critical topic for the GMAT Quantitative Reasoning section. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle any ratio or proportion problem that comes your way. A ratio is a way to compare the size of two or more things. It tells us how many times one value contains another. Think of it as a fraction or a comparison between two numbers. For example, if you have 4 apples and 2 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges is 4:2 or 2:1 when simplified. A proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. In other words, one ratio can be expressed as an equivalent fraction of another ratio. For instance, if AB equals CD, frac A, B equals frac C, D, BA equals DC, then A is to B as C is to D. Ratios and proportions are everywhere. If you're baking and need to adjust a recipe for more servings, you're using ratios. When determining if a dress on sale is a good deal based on its original price versus its discounted price, you're playing with proportions. When the GMAT presents ratio problems, they often require multiple steps or may be intertwined with other concepts. Let's break down a sample question. If 5 pencils cost the same as 3 erasers, what's the ratio of the cost of 1 pencil to 1 eraser? Did you figure it out? The ratio would be 3:5. Remember, understanding the relationship is key. 1. Simplify. Always aim to reduce your ratios to their simplest form. 2. Unit consistency. Ensure the units are consistent before setting up a proportion. 3. Cross-multiply. When working with proportions, cross-multiplying can help you solve for unknowns. Ratios and proportions might seem daunting initially, but with practice, they'll become second nature. We hope this deep dive has made the topic clearer for you. Keep practicing, and you'll master GMAT arithmetic in no time. Happy studying!